Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Furlong, and we are going to just quickly fill out this matching section in your notes. I want to make sure that you have the right functions with the organelle so that when it comes test time you'll have all this down and you'll do really well on it. So have this page up on your notes. We're going to start with the centrioles. And the job of the centrioles, these are going to be used in the process of cell division. I will talk more about this in another video, so that is C. Now cilia are tiny little hair-like structures that are found on the cell membrane, and they are used for movement. They help propel the cell through the liquid that they're in. The endoplasmic reticulum, otherwise known as the ER. So these are like little tunnels in the cell, and their job is to transport materials through the cytoplasm so that they don't get mixed in with the cytoplasm. That's J. The chloroplasts. So these are found only in plant cells, and the chloroplasts are filled with a green pigment called chlorophyll, and that is used in photosynthesis, and so that would be G. The Golgi apparatus is getting materials coming into them. They're processing and packaging these proteins. That is K, getting them ready to be exported out of the cell. The lysosome was really cool. These little bubbles inside of the cell, they contain powerful digestive enzymes, and their job is to destroy things that should not be in there. So that is M. The mitochondria, this is the powerhouse of the cell. I've heard that somewhere before, but I can't place my finger on it. This is where cell respiration takes place. So that is B. The cytoskeleton. Now this is one that was just most recently found, and this is almost like the scaffolding system set up inside of a cell, and these organelles are attached to it. But in a plant cell, they are going to give the cell its shape, and that is letter N. Now the vacuole is kind of cool. It's huge inside of a plant cell, and its job is to store waste. So that is H. The nucleus is oftentimes known as the control center of the cell, although it's not really controlling anything. It's the DNA that's inside there. It's simply storing the DNA. That is D. So the ribosomes are involved in making proteins. Now they don't actually make the proteins themselves, and that is A. The cell wall, so this is again on plant cells, and it also helps to give the plant cell its shape. The cell membrane, remember, is selectively permeable, so it allows for some things in and other things can't get in. That cell membrane is L. So now I have to scroll up on my paper, and the problem if I scroll up is it's going to, see what it does, the letters stay with it. So I'm going to have to delete these letters so that we can do the last two. The flagella is usually there's only a couple of them, but it's really long. It's kind of like cilia, only longer, and it has the same function. And that is F, used for movement. And lastly, the nucleolus. So this is inside of the nucleus, and its job is to store RNA. And so there you have the functions of the organelles inside of a eukaryotic cell. And you're welcome.